Good morning. Today at the Hansa Mini Golf place in Chiang Mai, and the theme are the World Wonders. So here in the back you can see already the Eiffel Tower, and there is the Liberty statue. It's per person 100 Thai baht, but it seems like the restaurant is only open from Friday to Monday, and yeah, let's see how that goes. Most beautiful mini golf place in Asia. I have to go now and see how it goes. Alright, next stop is now the Sticky Waterfall. Finished here mini golf playing, and if you're here, I think again, like with family, it's a good place to go. They were not 100% balanced. Sometimes right away in front of the hole, the ball always had the tendency to go to the edge of the court. But still, it's quite modern, I would say. It's not too old. And if you like to play mini golf, check this out here in north of north of Chiang Mai, the Hansa Mini Golf place. Definitely quite a nice place. So if you come to Chiang Mai, good way to get around is just to get a Songteo driver. We got this guy here now for 1,500 Thai baht a day, and we just told him where we want to go. It's easy. We have the whole you can see. You might know these taxis here. If you've never been there, they're driving all around the cities, red taxis, and usually inside the city it costs you like around about 20 baht to go from one to the other place. Now we just arrived at the Bua Tong Waterfall, which is very unique for Thailand. It's made out of limestone, and it's also known as the Sticky Waterfall, around about 45 minutes away from Chiang Mai. And this place is really cool because you don't need your flip-flops. Like this, they have so much, this waterfall that has so much grip that you can just walk up, and excited to show you this place because it's really beautiful again and definitely a little bit special. seems like the place changed a little bit, because a few years ago I remember there was a small pool on the bottom here, and now that's not really the case anymore. So don't expect that you can go really swimming here, but it's definitely a cool place to just relax and refresh yourself and kind of take a shower under the waterfall or climb it up. That's really, really cool. And you can find these red taxis or songtail at every corner in Chiang Mai. Like I said before, usually 20 baht to get from A to B inside of the city. If you want to rent this car for a day, it depends on the driver, between 1,500 and 2,500. We negotiate now with him and said, okay, we want you for 3 days, and got the price down to 1 for a day. I just asked him, he said 13 people fit inside. What I really like about this car is if you want to, especially if you're somewhere in the jungle or drive a little bit outside of town, you can just hang outside and enjoy a little bit of view. So yeah, definitely a great way if you are a lot of people and coming with your family or friends to get a songtail. Just make sure you maybe don't take the first one, ask a few people, try to get the best price and negotiate a little bit, and you can have an awesome day and discover a little bit some cool places with this great vehicle here. So we decided now to go to a third place, which is the Mae Ngad Dam. That's not too far away, like maybe 20 minutes from the Sticky Waterfall. And that's quite a nice place because they have some kind of floating houses on the lake, and you can stay there overnight. You can go fishing there. They have some tubes, and on top of it they have restaurants there, so you can order food, and it's a nice place to go swimming and just relax for a while. So it's gonna be great. Next place. Let's see how it goes. One more information about the Mae Ngad Dam. You will have to take a boat if you want to go to the floating houses, and I think the cost was around about, I'm not sure if it was both ways, I think 300. Plus on top of it you have to pay an entrance fee because I think it's part of a national park. So I think without staying there overnight you might pay already 450 Thai baht. But I'm not 100% sure about this. It's been a few years and I think maybe they changed the prices. So let's see how it goes and check out this awesome next place. And the Mae Ngad Dam is part of the Silana National Park, and now the entrance fee is 100 Thai baht plus per person plus 400 for a boat, and you can purchase tickets here at the office. So I'm surprised a bit because in the past you could just drive down there and get tickets from there. Alright, so 100 for the ticket per person and 400 for the boat forth and back. Yeah. One thing what I love about Asia is always this DIY construction. So if you can see here, that's a car engine, and I think in over-regulated Europe that would be impossible. So yeah, awesome DIY constructions here sometimes. So all these huts here are for rent, and we just asked, and the boats here, they are for free. So it's really cool to come here for the weekend, or if you're on holiday, just to stay overnight, have some fun. These islands, they were not here like 2 years or 3 years ago. So definitely cool place. Here you can jump. Alright, this is for a short video from our trip today to the Hansa Mini Golf course, then after that Sticky Waterfall, and now Mae Ngad Dam. Leave me your comments below, give me a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more of that stuff, and see you in the next one. It's Felix from World Life Journey.